Lync provides more than just instant messaging and collaborating for business. It is a versatile tool that will make it easier to communicate and collaborate with peers from CCAP as well as those in other organizations. In addition to instant messaging, Lync also allows for voice conversations, screen sharing, persistent chat or discussion boards, presentations, and face-to-face meetings. When we look at Lync, you will notice the first thing at the very top is the menu bar. Below that, we have the status bar. This is where you can type in a status to let people know what's going on or what you're doing. Now everyone knows that I'm creating help desk videos for my new office. Below the status bar, we have the availability drop-down. You can click on this to change your availability. Right now, I do not want to be disturbed because I'm creating videos. So I'm going to select Do Not Disturb. You can also select other options. Below our availability drop-down, you'll notice that we have the ability to set our location. By clicking here, you can either select one of your custom locations that you used before, or you can create a new location just by clicking once. This is great because it allows people to know where to find you when you're not in your normal spot. You'll notice that before I had a green bar next to my name, and that meant I was available. Now it's red with a white dash in the middle, which means I'm not available. This little notification allows people to look and see whether or not you can be disturbed at that moment. The next thing we're going to look at is our contacts. This is the contact button here. Below this, we have a couple different options. We can view our contacts by groups. As you can see, I've created groups and broken it down by the different departments. We can also click on status to see what everybody's status is. Right now we can see who's online, and if we scroll down, we can see who's away, and then we also have the unknown and unavailable. Unavailable usually means that they're not online, which probably means they do not have their computer turned on, since Lync will start up as soon as you start up your computer. We can see relationships, and we also can see new. Now new is really cool because when somebody adds you, a number will appear next to your contact guy. You can then click new to see who added you, right click on them, and add them to your contact list. We're going to go back to groups now. The first thing we're going to want to do is create a new group. So right click and then select Create New Group. You can see I've created a new group called Testing Buddies. Now I need to put somebody in that group. You can either search for someone. So I have Samantha Neely here. I'm going to right click on her and click Add to Contact Group and add her to my Testing Buddies. So now you can see she appears here. The cool thing is if you right click, you can select to copy contact to and move her to another group as well. You're able to have the same person in multiple groups. If I go to Meetings and Education, you'll see that Sam is also in this group. Now we get to have some fun. We're going to actually start using Lync to communicate with people. So the first thing we can do is hover over Samantha's picture. You'll notice that I get a couple different options. The first option is instant messaging. The next one is phone calls. Then we have video. We also are able to see her contact card, and we have some more options. These are some of the things we were able to see when we right-clicked. You can either hover over the picture and select the option you want, or you can just double-click. When I double-click, an instant message window opens up. By default, as soon as I double-click, I'll be able to instant message Samantha. This is sent in real time. It's not sent to a server and then sent out to her email account. As soon as I type this in, Sam's able to see it and is able to respond if she wants. There we go. I can also do a phone call with her. To do a phone call, all I have to do is click the phone call button. You can see what our settings are at. Looks like she's busy and can't talk. We can just hang up. We can also share a video. It'll give me a little preview of what my video looks like. As soon as I click on it, you will notice that my video shows up right down here in the corner, and Samantha's video would show up here. If we maximize the window, we can see a bigger picture from her. Hey, and there she is! Thanks for your help. We're going to end the call real quickly.